Number 4. Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 CL40. Corsair's Vengeance RGB DDR5 might just be the memory upgrade you've been dreaming of. Sporting massive 48GB modules, this kit pushes high-capacity RAM to a new level. For those constantly wrestling with big video files and high-resolution images, the 128GB capacity ensures smooth sailing. The fast speeds, reaching up to 6600 MTS, are impressive. You'll notice the difference, especially when multitasking or running memory-intensive applications. The relatively tight CAS latency, which goes as low as CL30, ensures quick response times. This has been crucial in keeping everything running seamlessly. Now, onto the eye candy. The Vengeance RGB DDR5 isn't just about raw power. Coupled with Corsair's ICUE software, the 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs per module create a mesmerizing light show. Customizing these LEDs to match your setup's vibe really adds to the whole experience. But what really stands out? The balance between raw capacity and speed. Many high-capacity RAM kits can compromise on speed, but not so here. It has certainly given my system a much-needed boost. However, the relatively higher CAS latency of CL30 might not appeal to extreme overclockers. Though fast, it isn't the tightest in the market. Yet for most users, this trade-off is barely noticeable. Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 marries aesthetics with performance splendidly. It's a solid choice for power users wanting both capacity and speed without compromise. Dive deeper and see how it can transform your setup. Still searching for the perfect DDR5 RAM for gaming? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.